Welcome students to our next class of verbs. In today's class we will learn about a new type of verb that is stative verbs. Have you ever heard of stative verbs? What do you think stative verbs mean? Find out everything about the stative verbs in this video. Let's start with the definition. What are stative verbs? Stative verbs are verbs that are used to describe or indicate the state of being of a noun or pronoun that acts as the subject in a sentence. Here is another definition of stative verbs, according to Cambridge Dictionary. A stative verb is defined as a verb that describes a state and not an action. After definition, let's move to the examples of stative verbs and learn how they can be used in sentences. As discussed, stative verbs are used to represent a state of being and not an action. Some verbs like feel, taste, smell, look and sound that represent the five senses also come under stative verbs. Let us look at the following examples to understand how they are used. I know what to do with this. I understand exactly what you say. I do not feel very good. None of this concerns you or your brother. All the women are depending on you. Now you may get confused about that stative verbs are like linking verbs, but it's not. Let's understand this with this difference table between stative verbs and linking verbs. Now test your knowledge of stative verbs. Here are some sentences and you have to find that the highlighted verb is stative or linking verb. Peter was my best friend. Danush does not feel good. The new employer seems like a nice guy. Do you think it is a good idea to go to London? Jane seems to be an intelligent girl. She has her own bike. The ladies agreed with each other. The movie on the real-time incident could be interesting. Do you like the book I gave you? I understand all of it now. Check your answers here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel.